This lesson is going to review how to write an announcement. First of all, let's talk about what an announcement is. An announcement tells important information about an event. An announcement might be written or spoken. Think about posters you see advertising events that are coming up. Those are written. Or it could be spoken. You could think about the morning announcements that are given in school oftentimes. Announcements can be live, or they can be pre-recorded. So if you're listening to the radio and you hear some announcement about an upcoming event, that would be a recorded, oftentimes, announcement. But if the DJ would break in and give you like breaking news announcement about something that's going on, that would be live. An announcement does answer certain questions. The questions that an announcement attempts to answer: what, when, where, who, why, and how. And it answers those questions as quickly as possible. Announcements are not designed to be very long. The process for writing an announcement: first of all, make sure that you have one main purpose. These are short, sweet, and to the point. And your main purpose should be at the very beginning of your announcement. Make sure that you include all of the important information. Again, from the previous slide, it answers those questions: what, when, where, who, why, and how. Make sure when you're writing an announcement that you include the following. You want the exact dates, the exact times, and the exact places involved. And again, notice I have exact underline. It's because you need to be very specific. Otherwise, nobody is going to show up for your event if they don't know that it's on Saturday, May 25th at 2:30 p.m. at Levitz Park. Also, make sure if there's a cost for your event that you include that in the announcement, because wouldn't it be embarrassing for people to show up with no money and you're charging them $15 at the door? So make sure that you include the cost if there is one. In an announcement, leave out information that is not important. Again, remember, you want announcements to be very short, sweet, and to the point. So if it's not important information, leave it out. And the order of information is important in an announcement. You want to start with the most important information and then continue to the least important information. So you always start at the beginning with the most important, and then as you progress through the announcement, the information gets less important as you go. Still important, just less important. Finally, in an announcement, your language should be very clear. You want to make sure that your announcement's easy to understand, and it should be friendly. It should sound positive. It's hard to write an announcement convincing people to show up for something if it doesn't sound like it's a fun or friendly event. So you want to have very clear, very friendly language in your announcement.